Welcome back. In the fifth lecture of the chapter 3 file handling. In the previous video, we have done the write function and the append function, and in this video, we will do some programs related to them. So here is a program. So write a program to take the details of book from the user and write the record in text file. That means we have to take data and store them in a text file. Simple. So here we will open the file first. This is the file name. This is the mode W. That means write. Since we have to write. So now here we are asking the user that how many records you want to write in a file. So as you can see in the output, it is printed how many records you want to write in a file, and the user has input as 3. Now here is for I in range n. So since n, what is the value of n here? So n is 3 now, so the loop will run 3 times. Now here is print. Enter details of the record. So initially I does not have any value, so it will be 0. So it will be 0 plus 1. So you can see in output, enter details of record. This is 1. This is the basically the first record. So here is the title. So title will store the title of the book. Enter the title of the book. This will be entered by the user. And here is the price. So price is float type. We will store the price in a float type. So enter price of the book. You can see here, enter the title of the book. So user has input as Java. Enter price of the book, that is 250. Now here is record. This is the format how we have to store the data taken by the user in the file. So when the user has input as title, input the title and price, as you can see Java and 250. So in the file it will be stored as 250 comma Java. No, sorry, it will be Java comma 250, and this is slash n for the next line. That means when the loop will run second time, then it will be stored, then the data will be stored in the next line. Here is the write function to write the values. Now second time again the loop will run. You can see again the title of the book is written here by the user, and the price is here. Third time again, so the title of the book and this is the price. So here after the loop has been end, so here we have used the close function to close the file. Now I will show you how the data has been stored in the file. So here is how the file has stored its data. First is the title of the book. Next is the price. So as I've told you, price was in float. So here is the decimal value, and slash n was used. So next line you can see, and similarly here also next line, and 3 times the loop has been run. Now program. Write a program to take the details of book from the user and write the record in the end of the text file. That means we have to take the details, the data from the user, and add that data to the end of the file, end of the statement. So here we are opening the file in which we have to add its data in the end. So here the file name is book.txt, and here we are using append to add. So since append is used to add in the last of the file, now here we are using n. So n will store, ask the user how many record you want to write in a file. So here he has answered as 2, input as 2. Now you can see here for I in range n. So n, what is the value of n? 2. So the loop will run now 2 times. So here is print, enter details of the record, I plus 1. So I has initially 0 value, so first it will be 1. So you can see 1. Now title. So title will store the value of the title from the user, title of the book, and price will store the price of the book. Now this is the format how you have to store the data in the file. So first title, then price, then next line for when the loop will run second time. So you can see here that enter the title of the book, here the price is there. Now again second time the loop will run, and again the title of the book has changed to computer network. The user has input this, and enter price of the book. So he has the user has input at 360. Now I will show you how this has when you write this, how it has changed the file, the previous file that I have shown you. So you can see here we have done till this. After this we have done one program. So you can see here, so since append is used to add in the last of the file, in the end of the file, so here you can see that file name dbms is here, and 350 is its price, and computer network and 360 is its price. So hope you understood this write and append function. So this was for today. See you in the next video.